here in Adelanto, California. Adelanto, let's roll. Alright guys, let's start this off with an 87. Look at that paint job, man. This one's underneath a little shade. Wow. Amazing. I've never seen this one. Blue in here. I would not expect this car to have blue on it. Well, that's why it's a high class car. Makes a lot of sense now. Look at that interior right there. Really clean. Damn. Even inside, man. Give some love to those motorcycles. There's a bunch of motorcycles here today. On the way here, I saw a big group, but I guess they're going somewhere else. Love me a Harley. Here's one you don't see almost never. This Oldsmobile. Good looking interior. It's an interesting steering wheel the way it's shaped like that. It's actually pretty cool. Dynamic Super Sport. Wait. Oh man, that's it? Oh, whatever. Yeah, so there's some Lowrider cars here. There's I don't know what category you would put this in. It's not a Lowrider, but I guess muscle car. Look at that hood scoop. And I've seen this one before too. Oh yeah, I got this one before multiple times. One in Chino, probably Riverside. Yeah, it's the one that has that cool ass paint job on top. With the Lambo doors. I could be wrong, but I think the owner of that probably owns, I won't be surprised if he owns that one too, but yeah. Check out this system. Damn. Trippy looking rims. What is this? What is this right here? Air compressors, I believe. Oh shit, look at this paint job. Wow, that's really Hellraiser, Pinhead. Damn. Look at that broken glass right there too, man. Shit. Oh wow, check it out right here. Oh, the whole interior's done up on this one. Even the rain guards too. I've never seen that before actually. On the rain guard, it's pretty interesting. It's got chrome everywhere. Look at those wheels. Good. Oh shit, man. See what? Not a lowrider. Oh shit, it's even got a freaking visor on it. I've never seen a Scion XB with a visor on it. Interesting. Wow. Look at that steering wheel though. Broken famous. Oh, that's a pretty nice system right here with that Rockford faucet. It's a nice setup. Give me ideas. Yeah, black looks nice with some red in there. I like that. Daily driven, the sticker says right there. All right, check it out right there. Look at this. Yeah, charger. I think I got this one somewhere. I just don't remember where. Yeah. We'll get them lowriders right now. Look at the wheels on that.
DJ Dirty Laundry, live in the mix. My name is Groove. Groove Shack Radio, Los Angeles, baby. We're in the building. Big shout out to Pirate, North Rusty Guns, and the homie Primo from Ghana. Join this event. Shout out to all the ladies, all the models that are in here, you know, doing what they got to do to make things happen right here. Big shout out to all of them. Shout out to the food vendors. Shout out to the Gorganas merch crew. If you want to purchase a hat, if you want to purchase a shirt, yes.
Whenever you look at this car, there's something about it.
I see you. Get it, homies. Yes.
All right, I'm gonna get the bottom artwork on this one.
What's up, big guy? How you doing? Introduce yourself to the people, man.
You got speakers on top of the trunk right here, man. Shit. That's pretty good.
Loyal podcast. Make sure you catch them on YouTube. The homies are here representing.
Damn.
And I want to know how many people are having a good time in here. Make some motherfucking noise.
Yeah, fucking hot. Wow, look at that shit, man. Amazing.
Who knows how to scream louder, the ladies or the fellas? Ladies, make some motherfucking noise.
Make some noise, ladies.
That's what I'm talking about. Once again, my name is Groove. You can catch me live every Friday night. The Groove Shack Radio out of Los Angeles, California on Spreaker.com. Shout out to the Gorganas team that are in the building. Let's get back into the mix. Let's fucking dance. It's Saturday. It's fucking hot. Hey, let's you know.
Hell yeah, it's fucking hot.
DJ Dirty Laundry live in the mix. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let them know.
Take it off. Take it off.
That Six Side Car Club, look at that. Yeah, that is pretty sick. Yeah, there's cars all through here. There's a drone on top of me. Yeah, this car has an Instagram page. There it is. What's up, lady? Huh? Well, there's a badass Impala that's way over there taking off. I wanted to get it, but I took too long. Cali style. 78. This black 76. Very nice. Spoke check. Nice, nice. Look at the top on this. With the blue rag. Damn, nice.
By standing on the wall, get your back up, come on, tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall, get your back up, come on, I heard all of people say,
Smoke check right
get down on it, oh yes, let's get down on it, oh yes, let's get down on it, oh yes,
Very nice paint job. Let's get some details of that inside.
oh yes, let's get down on it, oh yes, let's get down on it, oh yes.
This is the buyer's guide from Pontiac. It tells you everything about the car itself, collectability, rarity, and inventory.
This was the last car in Bomb magazines right there.
With his 48, rest is sold right now. This car. Buyer's guide. This tells you the guide from 46 to 480 torpedo convertible coupe. That's this car.
Oh wow.
Top of the list.
Wow.
I'm not saying that. Pontiac
Right.
said.
Wow.
Little bit of history.
Top of the list right there. Torpedo convertible coupe. Top of the list according to Pontiac themselves. Wow. Beautiful. All right, guys. So it is really hot. My camera equipment, my batteries, my microphone, everything is burning up. So much so that if I hold my camera rig so much, it burns my hands. Last night I checked the weather report and the high was supposed to be around 110 or something like that. Got some nice pinstripes right there. Look at the wheels on that. Or the spokes on it actually. Nice Harley. You got some of the Rough Riders right here. See, my kind of bike that I have is one of these types. So one day I want to have something like that. That'll be badass. Rough Rider. Alright, I'm overheating now. Alright guys, not too many cars here today.
We got the micheladas on deck. We got a lot of vendors.
There might be a, you know, different order first class. Hey, one chop them.
Yeah, check this out. Going down July the 24th, right here at Adelanto Stadium, they got Summer Nights, the Summer Nights event. A lot of live performances, a lot of great stuff. It's a Michelada Fest. Who likes micheladas? Bring some
I like micheladas.
No, except for my boy, love it. He said, hell no, muy picante. So it's a Michelada Fest, July the 24th, going down right here.
All right, let's continue.
Let's get back into this. We're going to call DJ Gigante. A little fun. Shout out to the ladies.
DJ Gigante.
Let's go. Come on.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We out here, baby. We pretty big out here. We in the hot desert. Y'all go to the gay car club, baby. Much love, baby.
Alright, let's get back over here. Damn, I'm fucking sweaty, man. I need to put my muscle shirt on too.
Double Dutch bus coming down the street. Moving pretty fast, so gotta shuffle over the beach. Get out the bus.
Lowriders. I think I saw this one in shit, what was I? Ontario? Looking good right there. Unless it was one that would look like it, but I got it. Very clean interior.